Now, at a time that we can see that India is recording over 4 lakh daily COVID cases, this is the same time that the government, in fact, has decided to start phase 3 of the vaccine drive, which allows vaccination for everyone above the age group, everyone in the age group of 18 to 44 years. This is the latest age group which is being added to the vaccine drive in the country. But unfortunately, due to an acute shortage of vaccine doses, this is only starting in 4 states today. Several other states, at least 16 other states and union territories have in fact said that they will not be able to start phase 3 of the vaccine drives for this particular age group due to this shortage, due to this crisis also that we are seeing in terms of vaccine doses being available in the country. So at least 4 states are starting it partially. They are also not doing it fully. Some specifically focusing on some districts, others only doing it in a symbolic manner, limited government vaccine centers. But it started officially today, but it's only 4 states which are being able to vaccinate people in the age group of 18 to 24, that too partially. Let's take a look at what are these states which are doing phase 3 vaccine drive. So it is Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat, which has in fact partially started the vaccine drive today. Rajasthan has in fact been assured by Serum Institute that they will be getting around 5 lakh doses. So they said that once the doses come, they will be starting the new phase of the drive. Officially it was meant to start at 9 o'clock, but we will have to get an update as to whether or not it has in fact started in those areas. Besides this, Gujarat has said that it is starting the vaccine drive today in 10 worst hit districts, and Uttar Pradesh is starting the drive in 7 districts with an active caseload, which have an active caseload of more than 9,000. Now, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has confirmed that the state had received 3 lakh more doses on Friday, following which they have decided that they will be, in fact, starting phase 3 vaccine drive, but in a very limited scope. This is specifically for Mumbai, where vaccination will be carried out at 5 government centers today. As a symbolic gesture, only 200 to 400 vaccine doses will be administered to the age group between 18 to 44. In these government centers between 1 to 6 in the afternoon going on to evening. There will be no vaccination at any of the private centers today.
आपली तयारी तर 12 कोटी डोस घ्यायची आहे. आपल्याला मिळतात किती? या महिन्यात 18 लाख. आज आपल्याकडे 3 लाख आलेले आहेत. 3 लाख आज आलेले आहेत. 18 लाख या महिन्यात मिळतील सांगितलेले आहे. तारीख अजून मिळालेली नाहीये. पण आता आपल्याला थांबता नाही येणार. लस जशी मिळेल, जशी उपलब्ध होईल तशी ती घेऊन आपल्याला आपल्या नागरिकांना ती दिलीच पाहिजे, आणि ते आपलं सरकार दिल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. आणि म्हणून मी आपल्याला एक विनंती करायला आज मुद्दामून आपल्यासमोर आलेलं आहे. उद्यापासून आपण 18 ते 44 या वयोगटातील नागरिकांचं लसीकरण हे जसजसं आपल्याला लसीचा पुरवठा मिळतोय तसतसं सुरू करतो आहे.
Let me go across to my colleague Mayuresh. Mayuresh, so in Mumbai, it will be a symbolic vaccine drive which will be there in the afternoon between 1 to 6 p.m. But it is also being done because today is Maharashtra Day. At a time when we are seeing that Maharashtra is the state which has the highest COVID caseload, the state is not being able to vaccinate everyone as much as they would like to.
Absolutely, when Maharashtra government or cabinet took the decision to give the vaccine at free of cost, that time only they had said that it looks very difficult to start this drive for 18 to 44 from 1st of May because there is a shortage of vaccine and we are yet to get the vaccine. But yesterday, last minute, the state government took this decision to at least start this symbolic drive on the auspicious day of Maharashtra Foundation Day, and that's why only at 5 to 6 centers in Mumbai there will be a vaccination will happen, and that is also of 200 to 300 people and not more than that, because still Maharashtra government is saying that they are yet to receive the vaccine. Yesterday we have been given to understand by CM of Maharashtra Uddhav Thackeray that 3 lakh dosage have Maharashtra has received, but they are not enough to carry this entire vaccination program, and that's why Maharashtra government is still waiting from the manufacturers as well as from the center to give the vaccine. And as you said, Tanima, yes, this vaccination, the symbolic vaccination, will be happening only at the government vaccination sites, and those are also the limited one. No vaccination will happen at the private vaccination center.
That's right. In fact, we'll have to wait and see how it is being managed, because there will be a lot of people who might have booked, but whether all of them will get the vaccine doses or not, even after booking in the afternoon, that we'll have to wait and see. Mayuresh, thank you so much for joining us with that. But there are around 16 states and union territories which have in fact said that vaccine drive in their states will be delayed amid an acute shortage. This includes Delhi, Punjab, Odisha, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka among others. And besides Odisha, all these states have in fact got a huge caseload of COVID cases. They are some of the worst hit states, and their governments have in fact said that once they get the doses, they will vaccinate for free. But they're not being able to do so because they have ordered for vaccine doses but have not got it yet. So that is the state that we can see at the moment, that most of the states and union territories are not being able to start vaccine drive today for phase 3. Now, amid all this, Jammu and Kashmir is one of the areas that is not being able to inoculate people between the age group of 18 to 44 today. The phase 3 vaccination has been delayed in the Union Territory. Now, J&K is likely to receive new doses from the vaccine manufacturers by 20th of May, and there are around 3,000 vaccine centers in Jammu and Kashmir. Let's take a look at this ground report from Times Network's Pradeep Datta.
Shortage of vaccine has given another big jolt to India's fight against killer corona because of non-availability of vaccine. Third phase of inoculation drive here in Jammu and Kashmir has failed to take off. Right now we are here in the vaccination center, one of the biggest one here in this region. But you can see all preparations are being made, but as vaccines are not available, so they can't give that jab to those youngsters who are coming out to this place. That means the population falling between the age group of 18 to 45 will have to wait for another few weeks to finally get injection. We have got with us doctor here, superintendent of the hospital. Let's try to speak to him. What are the reasons that today it could not take off? And what kind of preparations you had made in this regard?
There is nothing new in this regard, that we had to carry on this vaccination drive to another phase, starting now from tomorrow onwards. It was 18 onwards vaccination, 18 years onwards. So the moment the vaccine is available with us, we'll be carrying out this. So far as government has asked people to get themselves registered for this, the registration is going on. The moment they have the availability of the vaccine and it is provided to us, we will do it.
So doctors are saying that they were well prepared for this thing, so this was nothing new for them because already they had been carrying out this process. More than 22 lakh people of the age group above 45 had been inoculated by them, so they were well prepared for that. But because of non-availability of the vaccine, they could not go for a lot which had to start from today all over the country. And Jammu and Kashmir is not the only region, but there are many more states who had to skip this launch date, reason being that they too have not got injections with them. We spoke to the Financial Commissioner Health here, Atul Tulu. He said that they are going in touch with manufacturers, and manufacturers have promised them that the quota of Jammu and Kashmir will be dispatched by May 20th. Once they get that quota, only after that they can start a vaccination drive. It is 65 lakh people, in fact, fall between this age group category. That means the 65 lakh injections are required. And for that, they are planning to have 3,000 vaccination centers because they want to avoid any kind of overcrowding. They do not want the centers to be overcrowded. Reason being that overcrowding can lead to infections. So they're trying to take all precautionary measures.
Right, and amid the acute vaccine shortage, at least 2 private hospital chains, Apollo and Max, have announced that they are going to start phase 3 vaccine drive from today. In a statement released by the Apollo Hospital Group, it said that they will vaccinate those beneficiaries who are between the age group of 18 to 44 and have booked and registered on the CoWIN app. Similarly, the Max Hospital will also carry out the process in a few hospitals in the NCR.